Welcome to another electric cycle and gadget reviews, and today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this DS8 battery wireless 3D LED projector, and I'd like to thank Innovative for sponsoring this product for me to do this video. Right, so the pros and cons of this DS8 projector is just a couple of annoyances and a couple of good things about this projector, which I'm going to mix it all out and let you guys know what I feel after a couple of days of trying this DS8 projector. Okay, first thing first is there is a built-in battery within this DS8 projector, which means that you can actually bring out to camping location and you can use it for about 2 hours of the DS8 projector. For business, you can actually bring to the location of your clients and then just switch off the lights without plugging in, and you can do a 2 hours presentation. Obviously, not all business need 2 hours. You can just do a half an hour presentation and it's more than enough for business purposes. But if for me, I'm a gamer, I'm a movie marathoner, sometimes it may not be enough. So you can use external battery for notebook and laptops that have a 19-volt output. So remember that do not buy the lower voltage output. You need the 19-volt output. And one good thing about this DS8 projector is you can AirPlay your iPhone, iPads, other smartphone devices, or even the Mac OS, Mac Mini into the projector wirelessly through the Wi-Fi, in a way that you can actually play a video. But the one downside of this, if you only depend on the Wi-Fi connection, which both have the same Wi-Fi, the lagginess is very noticeable. Right, so after troubleshooting for about a couple of days, I realized if you plug in the Ethernet cable, which is this behind me, you can potentially increase the speed of the AirPlay, making it super silky smooth, which is pretty awesome. However, for people who have this Ethernet cable and the router is a little bit too far away from you to connect the Ethernet cable, then it may be a problem for you. If you are using it in a room and the modem is out in the living room, the plugging in the Ethernet cable may be out of the question unless you are playing in the living room, and plugging in the Ethernet cable from the router to the projector is not an issue. Then the AirPlay is super silky smooth. One thing I discovered is the trackpad control of the mouse on the casing itself is slightly hard to control. The mouse and all the buttons is too smooth on the casing. It's a little bit hard to know what you are touching, making it hard to control the projector in the total darkness. However, there's a couple of other options that you can actually control the projector using a USB mouse, a wireless Bluetooth mouse, or simply use the remote control to click and you'll be able to get in. One good thing about this DS8 projector is it does have come with a small speaker within the projector. That means you can actually play a movie, for example a TV show, in your room without a external speaker. However, the speaker sound is not as loud as I would like to. Yes, you can connect to Bluetooth speakers or even connect a audio jack out to your earphone also can, which is also good. To get the most optimum brightness of the DS8 projector is to get about 3 to 4 meters away from the screen or the wall that you're projecting to. Get a curtain that is thick enough to cover up the sunlight if you want to play during the daytime, and make sure your room is in complete darkness. And of course, set your power mode to standard to get the maximum brightness of your DS8 projector. I'll make a couple of more in-depth video tutorials on how to customize your DS8 projector, and of course some app recommendation as well. However, if you come across a situation where you cannot block out the sunlight or you do not have a dark room to use the projector, fear not. Sacrifice a little bit on the size of the screen, go nearer to the screen, and you'll still be able to get a reasonable enjoyment out of the DS8 projector. It does have a slight learning curve on how to set everything perfectly to your own personal preference and able to enjoy this DS8 projector as a home entertainment system. Well, basically that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy, give me a thumbs up and share to your friends, and of course subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye. Whoa.